This is a 2013 Subaru Legacy, automatic 2.5 liter. I just finished doing a Compustar T9 remote along with a DC3 LC low current module. The stock remote also worked with a 3x lock as a backup, since the customer did not want the drone mobile add-on. This is basically his secondary remote. For the T9, you still have the audible sound when you lock and unlock, kind of like Toyota's lock. For the remote start, you hold the remote start button 3 times, or 3 seconds actually, my apologies, until it beeps. It'll give you a notification that it is running. It's set for 15 minutes. For the takeover, all you have to do is unlock it. Let me turn this down so you can kind of hear me better. When you get in the vehicle, no key. Do not step on the brake at this time. Put your key in the ignition. Put it on the on position, which is 2 clicks. 1, 2. Once you have that on, as soon as you step on the brake, you'll hear a very faint click from the DC3 module. That's basically saying that the key is here and the takeover is complete. After that, just pretty much put it on reverse drive and you're all ready to go. Yes, the TPMS light is on, so it's got low air. Everything works.
Just so you know, happening now during the Start Something New sales event.
And for the 3 times lock, obviously lock it for a second, just to mimic you locking the door once. When you do 3 times click, 1, 2, 3. And it'll also notify the 2-way remote that it's remote started. So it's kind of a nice addition to have this as the backup just in case. And just get in like normal.